What do you want, Beckett?
More what?
More pie, please.
More pie, please?
What? I took it because I sterilized it with the kids' food, so use it.
More pie, please.
Can you finish that piece first? Take it off.
No, Mommy.
What happened? What happened?
This it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Mwah. Okay, now shake it off.
Freak out them back.
Shake it off. Do you want more pie?
I have to say this is good.
Gets it so fast. Not like pulling out sugar high. Okay. All right, who's coming? Who's that? Who are you? Are you the pie eater? What?
Well, your last night is
No, you can't get up on
all
it.
night, isn't it?
Bye-bye.
I didn't find something. Oh, they like the grapes. That's a good thing. What's this? Guess who? I don't know what that is either. Okay, well, tomorrow we'll have a major pickup later on in the day. Okay. I had a good time. All right, guys.
Go hit Grandma's butt.